morning, everybody. Hey, here we are again in our dyno room. Love it, love it. I love my job. Here's one of our big block Chryslers. Just got done making about 660 foot-pounds of torque and 590 horsepower on a 525 build. I know what I'm doing all the way. It's all high-quality parts here. Even our valve train system on this is unbelievable system that I use. I use a great rocker system on all these engines. These are hydraulic roller camshafts. These are the friendliest, best cam you can use in any motor. Beats them old flat tappet hydraulic cams that wear out tappets. You could buy a hydraulic flat tappet cam and lifters for 300 bucks, 200 bucks. My lifters and camshaft are over $1,000 by itself. Rocker arm system is 600. Push rod's probably another couple hundred. Quality build is what you pay for here. You compare us to anybody else, you're getting 10 times more motor for the price that we charge than some of these other companies charge. Hey, you want the best? You gotta call the best. Proformance Unlimited. Check us out. We are #1. All right, Johnny, I got your 69 Roadrunner engine here on the dyno. It's a Chrysler 499 cubic inch stroker. We're gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. Thing runs fantastic. How's that? Fire right up. AFRs are beautiful. Oil pressure is great. Idling or temperature. All right, let's make a roll. AFRs are beautiful, right where I